Hello everybody. It's me, Laura the Library Lady. I'm here today to show you how to make two adorable little Pusheen plushie cats out of a pair of fuzzy socks. Ready? Watch me. Okay, first thing we want to do is go through these handy dandy instructions that I made for you. Make sure you got all the stuff in the bag. So you will have two different colors of fuzzy socks. If you check at your local library bench, you will find all the colors, all the varieties there, but please don't mix and match. So we'll have the socks. Then you're going to have one square of black felt. You will have one unmarked bottle of Tearmender fabric glue. And you will also have stuffing, fluffy white clouds, and two pointed cotton swabs. So, two is enough technically, but if you have more that you can use at home, I recommend that. But at least save one pointy end at the very end for applying the face. So, then tools that you will need, you will have some scissors, need a marker, and it's helpful to have extra cotton swabs like I said. I have a really neat trick you can do to trace the face using painter's tape or masking tape. Either one, as long as it's not very sticky. And it's also helpful, but not necessary again, to have some cardstock in the form of maybe an old greeting card, or maybe just some boxes you have laying around the house, like cereal boxes, or these are plastic baggy boxes. Anything like that will work. One more thing. Quick shout out to Macaroon. They're the ones who originally made these plushies, but they chose to do a sewing version, which you may or may not find easy, but I will include a link to the sewing version if you prefer to do sewing instead of glue, and it will be down in the text box below. So there you are. Moving on. All right, so the first thing we need to do is turn to the back page of your instructions. You will see these templates for cutting out, and we're going to cut those out right now, and then I'm going to trace them onto something a little firmer, easier to trace around. You don't have to, so you can try to do it on the paper if you want to. It will work. You just got to be a little more patient and go a little slower. But anyway, here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so we got it with the 2 top feet, and we already did the back of the tail. So now, basically what you're gonna do is you're going to sit it sort of like this. Here, you wanna sit it flat-ish. I was using my hand, I'm sorry. All right, so you'll want to apply the glue to the last 2 of these. On that hard stump part. There we go. Plenty of glue. Okay. While it's standing, you're gonna put it in a way that it's going to help hold it up. Sorry, I'm watching the screen and making sure that making sure I'm putting it in the right place. All right, so and then I'm gonna push that in. Do this on the tabletop, it's much easier. But as you can see, once I get the other foot on, those will help hold them up. So that'll be the end of that. So let's do the other one real quick. I've still got to do all that stuff to the pink one. All right. And just putting the glue all over the stump, and just like before, so you're gonna hold it on your table, hopefully not your hand like me, and you want to try to make it symmetrical, about the same place where it's going to be support, and push it in. Once you're pushing it, of course you could pick it up off the table, and then smash it until it sticks. Voila! So now, see that? He can sit on his own between his little butt sticking out and those, and there you have it. So you see behind me, I've already done a bunch. I did a pair for every single one of the 9 locations. So that means I've done 9 pair of these, 18. Well, actually, this one will make 10 pairs, so 20. So there you have it. They're holding each other's hearts. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, and if you noticed in the background, you might have seen a plushie that hasn't been out yet. That might be our next project in May. That's your hint, it's May. All right, so me and all these kitties and all my other plushie projects that I've done, we will say goodbye, and thanks for watching. Check back for more from us. Bye-bye.